Kahit napupugihan ka sa akin, masungit yung tingin mo bago mo ako maging agent nun. Kala ko kasi astig pag pogi nga suplado. Pero pogi lang pala yung bagay sa akin. But look at us now. Finally, we are here at the moment in our lives that we have both been waiting for. I stand here today with immense gratitude and joy, knowing that I am marrying someone who truly understands me, supports me, and loves me for all that I am.
This is it. Parang kailan lang, di ba? Na nag-start yung love story natin because hindi naman talaga yung expect na magkakaroon tayo in the first place. But really, God really brought us to where we should be, so here we are. Now starting a family, our own family with big
Commitment between husband and wife or between men and woman, yun yung kontratang papasukin po ninyo. Panghabang buhay itong hanggang dulo ng hininga. Lifetime commitment, special and permanent union.
I'm so happy na wala tayong pinag-away na bigat or pinagdaanan na nag-test yung relationship natin, but I know we're not accepted sa ganon, and there might be time na pagdadaanan natin in the future, and I know na malalampasan natin yan and it will be much stronger kasi nagkaroon tayo ng time na napagdaanan, hindi man same ng kasing bigat na mag-aaway talaga.
Sir Del, nung mahalin mo si Ma'am May, yung pagmamahal na inyuto mo po sa kanya ay regalo ng Diyos sa iyo. And May, nung mahalin mo si Sir Del, yung pagmamahal na inyuto at pagtitiwala mo sa kanya, yun ay very unique gift from God.
Hindi ko dapat langit pag ika'y nasa akin.
Through my hardships, you have been there for me. You have given me every bit of support you could, and I thank you for always reminding me that I am never alone in my both absence. I already got the win because I already have my trophy beside me.
Thank you dahil sa'yo, madami akong mga naramdaman na I thought I would never have experience. Thank you dahil kaya kong maging mahina, kaya kong umiyak. Meron palang taong pwedeng makinig sa akin na mararamdaman kung ano yung mararamdaman ko.
Isa lang sa mga babae niyong sir ang fitted sa iyo. Walang iba kundi si Ma'am May. Kayo'y pinagbukod na ano man yung mga plano ninyo, yung mga desisyon niyo sa buhay. Kinakailangan pinag-uusapan niyo yun. Pinaplano niyong dalawa na dapat ay kasama ang Diyos.
Pwede bang ako o nalaan? Sabihin mo, makasaya mo hanggaan. Kaya mo, gusto mo. Mahaba man ang prosesyon, sasambahan ka sa simbahan. Pwede bang ako o nalaan? Sabihin mo, bago iparating sa'yo ang mga panalangin.
You are my biggest win in life, and I will cherish that. And as I always say, I'm so lucky to have you as my partner. You are gentle, kind, caring, and incredibly understanding. You are everything I could have ever wished for. I promise to love you not only when life is easy, but especially when it is hard. I vow to listen, when you need to speak, to give you space when you need it, and to hold you close when you needed comfort.
Pwede bang ako o nalaan? Sabihin mo, makasaya mo hanggang kaya mo, gusto mo. Mahaba man ang prosesyon, sasamahan ka sa simbahan. Pwede bang ako o nalaan?
Kaya ngayon, sa harap ng lahat ng mga mahal natin sa buhay, I promise to choose you araw-araw. Sa saya, sa pagod, sa katahimikan o kaguluhan. To more playful moments, to healing our inner child together. To our future baby or babies, at sa buong buhay na pagsasamahan natin. Thank you, Daddy, for saving me. I love you so much, Daddy ko.
Magpasakin, pinakaasam. Ama namin, maaari kayang mapasakin, pinakaasam. Pwede bang ako o nalaan? Sabihin mo, makasaya mo hanggang
Together, we will grow, laugh, and dream. You are my partner, my best friend, and my greatest love. I promise to always kiss you today and every day. For as long as we both shall live, I will be there. I may not have grown up with a father, but I promise you that I will be the best one I can be to our baby and our future family. I love you.
oh, oh, oh.